Do you ever feel like everyone else has their life figured out while you're just stuck? Maybe you feel lost, unmotivated, or unsure of what your purpose is. If that's you, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to share how you can stop feeling lost in your 20s and step into your queen energy so you can finally create the life you're meant for. Hi, beautiful souls. Again, my name is Yasmin, the founder of Queen Power Academy, where we crown our confidence and conquer our dreams. On this channel, I share tips on self worth, manifestation, feminine energy, and personal growth to help you glow into the best version of yourself. If you're ready to step into your queen era, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now, I know what it feels like to be lost. There was a time when I was doing all the right things, working, pushing, trying, looks good on paper, but deep down I felt empty, like I was just drifting through life. What changed everything for me was realizing that feeling lost wasn't a failure. It was actually my soul telling me that I was ready to realign, grow, and rise into my next level. I heard a quote today that it was saying that if you hit rock bottom, that's actually the universe giving you a quantum leap on a silver platter because they want you to restart. They are saying this is not working, but you're ready for something else if you choose. So you have to stop running from the feeling. Instead of numbing it, acknowledge it. Write down how you feel, journal. Feeling lost means you're ready for change, and that's actually so powerful again because you're ready to create something new. So I want you to ask yourself, if I was already the woman I dream of being, how would I act today? Start aligning small actions with that version of you, whether it's how you dress, how you speak to yourself, or how you spend your mornings. I always say that if you want to become another version or a better version of yourself, then just start by thinking and acting as if pretending to be that version. So try to like get into their frame of mind or their mindset. Be like, okay, if I was to be a millionaire, how would my millionaire self think? What would she act? What would she dress? What would she eat? Who would she hang out? What would she do? Basically, just try to get into their mind right now. So, I want you to start creating queen energy habits like daily journaling, meditation, walks in nature, and self care rituals that help you connect with your true self. And remember, this is a non negotiable. You'll have to do this every day. This is how you slowly shift from feeling lost to aligned, okay? What I want you to do is to get clear on your vision. I want you to make a list of what lights you up, your passions, your value points, and what points you to your purpose. Don't wait for a perfect plan. Clarity comes from taking aligned action. Step by step, the road will get clear. Just looking at the very step ahead of you, right? When I go hiking, for example, and there's this big mountain that I have to climb, if I look at the top, I'll literally break my neck or I'll fall off the mountain because it's such a high climb and I'll lose my balance. But what I do instead is I literally just put my vision right to where my foot is going to land next. So as long as you can just see your next step, then the whole road will show itself to you. You have to surround yourself with expansion. So follow mentors, read books, join communities that remind you of your worth and your potential. So saturate yourself and your mind and your input, your algorithm with what you are trying to reach or things to remind you of what you're trying to do here, where you're trying to go basically. The more you saturate yourself with this kind of knowledge and information, the easier it will be to embody because you're just constantly, it's coming at you left and right, reminding you. People around you can either drain you or elevate you, okay? And this is why it's so important to make sure that you are hanging out with the right people. You're surrounding yourself with the right people because remember, you are the sum total of the average of the 5 people that you hang around most. So if I want you to just think about this right now for a second, who are the 5 people that you spend the most time with on a day-to-day basis? And then you'll see that once you have those 5 people, you will start to see how you are how you relate to each of them in your own being, how their personalities make up your personalities combined. So that's why it's very important to choose the right people. And my favorite quote of all time is, it's better to be alone than to be with the wrong company. Okay, because the wrong company is detrimental, can ruin you if they are truly bad. It's like that saying, one bad apple can ruin the whole bunch, okay? Exactly. So, being lost in your 20s doesn't mean you're behind. It means you're on the edge of transformation, actually, because remember, every queen had to first find her crown. And also, what I love to remind you is, think about princess movies, Disney movies. What is she always doing in the beginning of the movie? Crying, having fits, nothing is working out. She's just down bad. That's actually, again, a possibility for you to step into the unknown and to create your future, okay? If this spoke to you, I created a free 7-day Queen Energy Reset journal to help you get clear, build habits, and step into your higher self. It's completely free. The link is in my description. Go grab it and start your reset today. And don't forget to subscribe for more tools and mindset shifts to help you glow into the woman that you're meant to be, because your queen era starts right now. Okay, my love? I created a free 7-day Queen Energy Reset journal that will help you get into alignment of your queen self. Completely free. It's a PDF. You can get it if you sign up with the description in my link below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if this resonated with you in any which way, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like, comment, give me your thoughts, tell me what you're going through, and I'll see you again here next week for more tips and tricks on how to be your best self and how to be the queen that you are. Okay, my love? I love you. Hope you have a wonderful day.